Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Coinbase account. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Why use Coinbase? There are a few reasons why you might want to use Coinbase. First, it's one of the most popular and trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Second, it's easy to use, even for beginners. Third, it offers a wide variety of features, including the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, store them in a wallet, and earn interest on your holdings. How to create a Coinbase account. Now that you know why you might want to use Coinbase, let's get started creating an account. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on the Continue button. You will be asked to verify your identity. You can do this by providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you have verified your identity, you will be asked to provide your address and phone number. Once you have provided your address and phone number, you will be asked to create a security PIN. Once you have created your security PIN, you will be asked to link your bank account. Once you have linked your bank account, you will be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Tips for creating a Coinbase account. Here are a few tips for creating a Coinbase account. Use a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Do not share your security PIN with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Be aware of scams and phishing attempts. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to create a Coinbase account. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I hope this script is helpful.